As one of the products from crypto which is still relatively new, it is natural that many people do not know what Bitcoin Diamond is. Therefore, to eliminate this curiosity, here we will discuss thoroughly what Bitcoin Diamond is. What is Bitcoin Diamond? The complete review about Bitcoin Diamond, BCD. Bitcoin Diamond, or better known as BCD, is a Bitcoin hard fork, an event that takes place when the crypto development team agrees to use new features into the programming system of the coin. Generally, this is done to improve the security of the crypto network so that it can adapt when the number of users increases. Meanwhile, this Bitcoin hard fork will only occur to the specified block, namely 495,866. Only on this block a BDC chain will be generated. Therefore, a conclusion can be drawn that from the process of this hard fork event the formation of a new digital currency. Specifically, Bitcoin Diamond is a hard fork of the Bitcoin blockchain technology that has been upgraded but still uses the original Bitcoin features. In addition, it is also equipped with encryption to protect users' privacy, increase storage capacity, encrypt the amount of money when transferring, and so on. Maybe there are still many people who are very curious about who was the holder of Bitcoin when Bitcoin Diamond was first created. On data November 24, 2017 ago, at block height 495,866 was mentioned as the owner of Bitcoin Diamond, which is also 1 BTC, Bitcoin 10 BCD, Bitcoin Diamond. How Bitcoin Diamond prevents replay attacks. The complete review of Bitcoin Diamond, BCD. One of the problems that often occur to Bitcoin Diamond users is the reply attack. This situation refers to a fact: if the transaction runs on Bitcoin Diamond, then the bifurcation will also run, because both have almost the same algorithm. In other words, if you launch a transaction into the network and also send a deal which you then confirm to another block network, you will get free Bitcoin Diamonds at the same rate as in that network. Therefore, to prevent reply attacks from happening, a change in the format between Bitcoin and Bitcoin